Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the short-term sources of finance for a project. In our earlier lecture, we discussed about various long-term as well as the medium-term sources of finance such as equity share capital, preference shares, debentures or bonds, and the lease financing. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the short-term sources of finance which can basically fulfill the short-term requirements of the business or the day-to-day, or we can say the working capital requirement of the business. But in aggressive approach of project financing, some of the entrepreneurs also use these short-term sources of finance for financing the long-term requirements such as purchase of the fixed assets or long-term assets. But it is ideally said that it is good to fulfill the short-term requirement of the business by the short-term sources of finance only. So the first type of short-term sources are related to the banking sources, which include first of all the line of credit. Under this source, bank determines the maximum limit of credit for their customers. Customer can withdraw money from bank within the limit, and the maximum amount of credit is determined on the basis of goodwill of the customer, his size of business, financial position, and the elite factors. Interest has to be paid on the amount actually withdrawn. लाइन ऑफ क्रेडिट जिसको कि हम LCB बोलते हैं, ये एक ऐसा सोर्स है जिसमें बैंक अपने जो भी कमर्शियल कस्टमर है उसके लिए एक जो बिजनेस कस्टमर है उसके लिए एक मैक्सिमम लिमिट सेट कर देती है क्रेडिट की कि मैक्सिमम आप इतना अमाउंट तक विड्रॉ कर सकते हो एज अ लोन और यू कैन बोरो अप टू दैट अमाउंट फॉर दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. कस्टमर कैन विड्रॉ मनी फ्रॉम द बैंक विद इन दैट लिमिट ओनली. एंड जो ये मैक्सिमम लिमिट है ये डिपेंड करेगा कि कस्टमर की गुडविल कैसी है, उनका जो प्रीवियस पेमेंट रिकॉर्ड है वो कैसा है, बैंक के साथ में टर्म्स कैसे हैं, एंड द साइज ऑफ बिजनेस, उनकी जो फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन है, इन सारे फैक्टर्स पर डिपेंड करेगा. एंड द इंटरेस्ट हैज टू बी पेड ऑन द अमाउंट एक्चुअली विड्रॉन. Then second short-term source is the bank overdraft, or simply we can call it as overdraft. Okay. So in this facility, bank allows the customer to withdraw more amount than his actual deposit in his current account. So बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट में जो भी एक्चुअल डिपॉजिट है करंट अकाउंट में बिजनेस के कस्टमर के करंट अकाउंट में जितना भी अमाउंट है उससे ज्यादा आप जितना अमाउंट विड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, that is the facility which is called as the bank overdraft. The excess amount withdrawn is called the overdraft. The amount of overdraft is also determined on the basis of the financial position of business. The quantum of overdraft is generally less than the line of credit. So line of credit में जो maximum limit होती है वो ज्यादा होती है, लेकिन overdraft में कम होगी. It is just over and above the amount which is available in the current account of the customer, and the bank honors the check of customer within a predetermined time frame. Interest is charged on the actual amount withdrawn, just like what was happening in the line of credit. The interest has to be paid, or it will be charged on the amount actually withdrawn by the customer. And the third short-term source of finance is the secured loan. Bank generally grant credit on the basis of security of the current assets like inventory. तो इन्वेंट्री जो होती है उसके बेसिक उसके ऊपर बैंक कुछ उसको एज अ सिक्योरिटी कंसीडर करके मॉर्गेज में इन्वेंट्री को रख के और उसको एज अ सिक्योरिटी कंसीडर करके लोन प्रोवाइड करती है, देखती है कि कंपनी के पास कितने अमाउंट की इन्वेंट्री अवेलेबल है. द एसेट्स हेल्ड एज सिक्योरिटी रिमेन इन कंट्रोल ऑफ द बैंक. As soon as loan is paid by the customer, he is allowed to remove goods from the godown. Under this source, bank grants loan after reserving a fair margin. The amount of loan is transferred to the account of the customer, and the interest is charged on the whole amount of loan rather than the actual amount withdrawn. So that is one facility for the short-term source of finance, that is the secured loan. in which the bank grants credit on the basis of the security of the current assets like inventory. And factoring is also one kind of short-term source of finance. In factoring, what the companies do, they put their receivables as security as compared to the inventory. Now the discounting of bill. Customers can discount the bills due to the future date from the bank. The amount of bill after charging discount is transferred to the account of customer. On the date of maturity, branch collects money from the drawee of the bill. So these were some banking sources of short-term finance like line of credit, overdraft, secured loan, and discounting of bill. Now these are the non-banking short-term sources of finance such as public deposits, short-term loans, trade credit, and advances from the customers. So the public deposits for a period of 1 year are short-term source of finance. The public deposits for more than 1 year are included in medium-term sources of finance. So basically जो भी पब्लिक डिपॉजिट 1 साल से कम समय के लिए होते हैं वो शॉर्ट टर्म सोर्स ऑफ फाइनेंस की तरह से ही हम कंसीडर करते हैं, उससे ज्यादा समय के लिए जो है वो मीडियम टर्म सोर्स ऑफ फाइनेंस की तरह से कंसीडर करते हैं. शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स भी बैंक प्रोवाइड करती है. दीज में बी एनी सिक्योर्ड और अनसिक्योर्ड लोन that can be taken from other parties except the banks. तो बैंक के अलावा आप अगर और जैसे लाइक मर्चेंट बैंकर्स से, फाइनेंशियल कंपनी से, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी से, अपने रिलेटिव से, एक्वेंटेंसेस से अगर आप शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए लेस देन 1 year पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए लोन लेते हैं, then these are certain short term source of finance which are non-banking because we are not taking loan from the banks but taking from other bodies. Then the third is trade credit. When the goods are purchased and they are not paid immediately, okay, the cash payment is not made immediately to the supplier or the seller of the goods, then this thing is called as the trade credit, that we have taken trade credit from the creditors and we are the debtors of those supplier party. बिजनेस में ऐसा चलता ही है, जितने भी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं देज आर वहां पर जो रॉ मटेरियल है या जो भी फिनिश गुड्स की सप्लाई है, इन सब का जो आदान प्रदान है, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन ट्रेड क्रेडिट ओनली. पूरा मार्केट ट्रेड क्रेडिट पर ही बेस्ड है. बट दिस पीरियड ऑफ क्रेडिट इज शॉर्ट एंड आफ्टर sometimes we have to pay for it. For example, suppose there is a party, there is a customer or an industrial customer, we can say, who has purchased some raw material from a supplier and they have promised that they will pay after 45 days against that purchase. So that 45 days period is the credit period for the supplier, that is the credit period. So within 45 days they will be paying. So that becomes a spontaneous source of finance or a short term source of finance itself. Because 45 days के लिए आपकी financing होगी, you have to pay after 45 days. Sometimes it is for 90 days, 180 days also if the credit terms are good, or sometimes it is not totally based on a credit purchase or credit sales, but some cash payment is made immediately and the rest will be paid later after some credit period. Suppose they have paid 20% cash immediately and the rest 80% will be paid later after suppose 30 days or 45 days. So that 80% credit purchase is a spontaneous source of finance or a short-term source of finance for the company who is purchasing the raw material. So that itself is a non-banking short-term source of finance. Then the advances from customers. The manufacturers whose products are in great demand call for a fixed percentage of value of order to cash as advance from their customers. Goods are actually delivered after some time. No interest is paid on this advance. Okay. And then comes the outstanding liability. Sometimes the expenses of business are not paid immediately. The amount is used in business after delaying the payment of these expenses such as taxes, wages, rent, outstanding salaries होती हैं employees की, wages होते हैं, laborers के rents होते हैं, taxes होते हैं. So they are also some spontaneous or short-term sources of finance only. So, and advances from customer, in many cases where there is a great demand of product and there are certain products who are produced on demand only, then the advances which are taken from the customer to produce or design the product becomes a spontaneous or short-term source of finance for and work as a current working capital for the company, and they are the current liabilities. So that's it about today's lecture, students. Thank you very much for